What if your next assistant could think, learn, and adapt like a human? Meet Groot. Nvidia has just dropped a bombshell in the AI world with Groot, a general-purpose humanoid robot that's set to change everything. Groot isn't your typical robot. It's equipped with Nvidia's top-of-the-line AI models, meaning it learns, reasons, and adapts in real time. Imagine a robot that can understand human behavior using Omniverse and NeMo AI models, and processes tasks instantly thanks to RTX-powered AI acceleration. And Groot's not just for show, it's designed for real-world applications, whether it's in factories, hospitals, or even your home. Picture Groot handling repetitive tasks in factories, assisting in surgeries, or even acting as a personal health monitor. Groot could also be your intelligent home assistant, cooking, cleaning, and engaging in conversations. But what truly sets Groot apart? Its integration with Nvidia's Omniverse allows it to simulate and learn in virtual 3D environments before hitting the real world. This means Groot can test countless scenarios without any real-world consequences. It's time to embrace the future. Groot isn't just a robot, it's a game-changer. What do you think? Is this the dawn of a new era, or should we tread carefully? Let us know in the comments. And remember, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all the latest in AI and tech.